Hey guys, good morning and happy Valentine's Day. I'm gonna say hey to my vlog. You got anything to say? Today is...
Hey, Valentine's Day.
Oh my god,
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Okay, we just finished eating breakfast. Now we are going to our 10 a.m.s. Hers in the library, so bye-bye.
Bye.
And then mine's in the MSBC. So yeah, I've had class. Okay, you guys, we're in the library working on our 1 o'clock essay. 1 o'clock essay. Now writing my essay, and then we're gonna head to lunch because we've been distracted on our phones looking at Snapchat, and they made a seafood boil, so we're trying to hurry up and go.
Trying to see what they have about.
So yeah, I will see you guys right there. Finally left the library.
Yes, finally.
I didn't finish my essay, but
We almost there though. It's cool.
yeah, I'm almost done. I just need like one more paragraph, but like I was trying to hurry up and finish so I could have no time to eat lunch and go to class. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the cab. Y'all, so we got to lunch like so late. And there's like no plates out or nothing. Okay, you guys, we just left lunch. We're finna meet our friend Destiny. Oh, look, they go Destiny. Oh, thank you. Look at her. It's a beautiful day.
It is a shiny.
I can barely see. So we have a 2 o'clock. So our 2 o'clock is over. Today is so pretty. So we decided like to sit outside. The boys are outside playing basketball. Well, like, I mean, they was playing basketball on our way to class, but now they really playing basketball. Like, they invited more people. Have had horrible weather all week. It's been raining. It's been like under like 30 degrees. So I was like, why not? Let's just sit outside. It's not raining. It's not that cold. Like, today is just a beautiful day. So we just ate dinner. Now we're just chilling. I gotta charge my phone. And yeah. How was y'all Valentine's Day?
Was it good?
Was it bad?
What did y'all get?
What you not get? But yeah, so I'm going to end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below. Click that notification bell. And yeah.